In today's video, let's talk about the best settings for the RAZER KIYO Pro Ultra. So before you do this, the first thing that you want to do is to get the official application from RAZER, which is going to be the RAZER Synapse application. Just search it up on Google and you should be good to go. Now you want to apply the following setting. Basically, first things first, we have different use case scenarios. If you're mainly using your webcam for quality or content, you want to use the quality option. Maybe you want to do something like 4K 30 FPS. But if you're using it as a performance camera, maybe for live streaming, just video calls and casual camera usage, you want to select performance and you could just lower this down into something like 2K resolution or even 1080p around 60 FPS to make it smooth. Now, you want to disable the lens distortion compensation, and same thing with the 2D noise reduction. Make sure that these options are enabled. Right after, we are now inside the camera quality setting. Of course, the brightness can depend on your room lighting. Same thing with the contrast. And for the saturation, the best one is going to be 128, unless you want those highly saturated colors. Now, basically, that's going to be all of the settings available for the RAZER Synapse. If you click on the advanced settings right here, it will just take you to the advanced options of Windows. But that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.